Being in research means that I get to ask interesting questions and find solutions to questions and problems. I have to go back to my middle school days. In the science fair, a friend and I did research with children. So we were reading about Piaget and child development, and we actually got to conduct research experiments with kindergartners. And the best part was we won the science fair. So that was probably the start of my research. When I was a master's degree student, I wanted to get a degree so I could get a better job in advertising, but along the way I got pulled into a research project. I saw an ad, it was for a paint company, but it said, "Can't you just hear this color?" And I'm like, we can't hear colors. And so I was like, what's that about? And so again, it's sort of asking questions, and I found out that this is a strange, real phenomenon called synesthesia, where our senses get mixed up, and apparently advertising uses it a lot to make ads more vivid, more memorable, and more creative. So that was my master's thesis, and that really kept the spark in terms of research. I would say be open, right? Be open to lots of opportunities. I know a lot of research these days is quantitative, computational, social media analytics, but there's a whole bunch of tools and methods out there to observe, gather information, and answer your questions. So for example, we have a biometrics lab where we have eye tracking and physiological measures. I teach qualitative research methods, so I teach people how to do ethnography, observation, focus groups, interviews, netnography, which is ethnography of the internet. So I'm super excited today because there's so many tools at our disposal. And if you're interested in just any topic and learning and getting deeper and answering questions, I would say be really open. In our field, we're lucky we can do research by ourselves, or we can collaborate with other people. So my favorite part of research is collaborating with students.